Hello everyone and welcome to this video on Gemini extensions. In this video, we are going to explore how business owners, content creators, freelancers, and digital marketers can use Gemini extensions to improve their productivity and creativity. Gemini extensions are a suite of tools that integrate with Gemini, a large language model from Google AI. These extensions allow you to access Gemini's capabilities directly within your favorite applications such as Google Workspace, YouTube, Google Maps, Google Hotels, and Google Flights. Let's explore more about Gemini extensions. Now, let's use Gemini to summarize email from your inbox. Enter prompt in chat and Gemini will summarize email for you. Now let's check how we can use Gemini YouTube extension. Enter prompt in chat and Gemini will find YouTube videos for you. That's amazing, isn't it? We encourage you to experiment with Gemini extensions and see how they can help you improve your productivity and creativity. We hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.